Amid the misty mountain peak, it stumbled upon our time armored, slipping peacefully beneath a thick layer of moss. This legendary military vehicle is now just a verdant mass, blending into nature as if it never existed. The feeling of touching that rusty metal is indescribable. Can it awaken this forgotten soul after decades? Join me on this challenging journey of revival now. Touching the mud and moss clinging to the vintage car for the first time was a thrilling experience. Under the pressure of the powerful water jet, the moss and dirt cement melt away, revealing the original green paint. However, beneath that surface lay deep rot corroding the metal, a testament to time and neglect. Join me as we explore whether the metal beneath still retains the pride of a bygone era. Continuing the journey, it took the Katoa workshop for a more thorough inspection of the interior and engine. Under the hood was a mass of machinery covered in rust and dry leaf, as if nature had just swallowed it up. It used special like chemical and snow foam to soften the mud stubborn stain. Thick layer of mud gradually washed away, revealing intricate mechanical details that had been dormant for too long. Everything was becoming clearer, and the hope of restoring its original power was growing within me. The most difficult part had begun. It had to use a high-pressure vacuum to remove the sawdust and debris that have accumulated in the mechanical crevice. Look, the polished tin shell now shines like a mirror, a stark contrast to the black, rusty engine compartment. Excess of water swept into the engine block, washing away decades of accumulated oil and grease. On top, the body is now clean. Getting this war machine to road again is still a long and arduous journey ahead. The ideal restoration journey is drawing to a close. Look at it. The one formidable whom we now spot a brand new, gleaming Dickerson Punjab, rudely strutting alongside its beautiful female owner in her camouflage military uniform. The stark contrast between its flawless interior and the by a pretty, Belascan engine components on the rig table is proof of the extraordinary effort. Let's wait and see if it will machine truly come back to life as powerful as it appears. Every final detail is being meticulously refined. The stubborn rust on the chassis and drivetrain has completely disappeared, replaced with a gleaming shine of new metal. It carefully reassembled its joints, lubricating everything to ensure the smoothest possible operation. Watching the car transform from a rusty pile of scrap metal into a powerful warrior, it knew only hard work had paid off. Now it is time to start the engine and fuel its true power on the open road. The most anticipated moment has arrived. After days of hard work dealing with grease and rust, the engine finally rode powerfully. The all components now run smoothly under a new, sturdy chassis. The car is now ready to confidently conquer an new terrain. What do you think of this spectacular transformation? Leave your comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see my next classic restoration project. Under the brilliant sunlight, the military vehicle has now been completely transformed, boasting a majestic appearance, ready for new challenges. Every powerful design line is highlighted by a flawless new coat of paint, alongside the radiant smile of the rector. This is not just about repairing a machine, but a journey to awaken a legend. From ruin to glory, are you impressed with this transformation? Let's wait now in the comments. The restoration journey of the wearer, Humvee HKS enter a dramatic new chapter. Under the skillful hands of the female engineer, the bone wrapped on the chassis equally to a gleaming shine, while the powerful engine gradually takes shape from its polished gear and bearing, meticulously refined. Along with it, the perfect appearance of the once formidable Humvee is emerging, ready to strike brutally and awaken its two-bit instinct. Join me in witnessing this spectacular transformation and feeling the legendary power rising. Even the smallest detail, like the bearing, receive partial care with meticulous lubrication, ensuring perfectly smooth operation. See, the same type of bearing, but the size and processing are completely different. Meanwhile, the hood is being professionally painted in a state-of-the-art paint booth. With meticulous attention to detail contrast applied with the black filling just on the repair table, a testament to the extraordinary effort. Let's wait and see if this war machine truly come back to life as powerfully as it appears. Looking at her gray, rusty steel frame replaced with a glossy, even olive green paint job, we can truly appreciate the meticulous work of the craftsman. From the professional paint booth, the hood is given a perfect new coat of paint down to the last centimeter. The meticulous assembly of bearing into mechanical part demand absolute precision. Each step is a crucial key in awakening the dogma soul of the Humvee. Let's look forward to the brilliant final. The engine block polished to a gleaming shine down to every screw, is now being carefully placed into the chassis, preparing for its first landing. This meticulous assembly contrasts sharply with the black peeling rust on the repair table, a testament to the extraordinary effort put in. Even the intricate mechanical components to add the differential assembly receive special attention to ensure perfect connection. Every assembly and polishing step is performed with intense concentration, requiring exceptional patience and skill. Let's witness this spectacular transformation and feel the legendary power rising. Finally, the head of the beast is ready to return to its place. The restored engine blocks look clean and powerful, as if it is just rolled off the production line, a stark contrast to the previously grimy, rediscovered mechanical part. It carefully assembled the right chain and lubricated every joint. The feeling of seeing its gleaming metal parts fit together was truly satisfying. Everything is ready for the moment of starting up. Will me effort help this legendary machine rot again? Let's wait and see.